Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, so I'm giving you another question associated with averages only. So again, this is of grouped question, grouped data. So the data says calculate the mean for the following frequency distribution. So the marks, one second, yeah, marks are given as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70. Okay, and number of students, that is frequency, is given to be 6, 5, 8, 15, 7, 6, and 3. So first you need to determine the mid value of the class interval x. You will determine the mid value of the class interval, and then by the normal formula, that is by x bar equal to summation fx divided by summation f, or divided by capital N, we determine the mean. Just quickly determine the mean for this question.
Ma'am, 33.4.
33.4. Yes, 33.4. Okay, Jivansh. Okay, Lavanya. Let's wait for 2 more minutes for others to solve. Yes, Anushka and Aditi, 33.4, right? Okay, Aditi, so next question will have a bit more of calculations. So if everybody has done this question, then I'll give you next question. The answer for this is 33.4. Okay, so next question says that the numbers 3.2, 5.8, 7.9, and 4.5 have frequencies x, x plus 2, x minus 3, and x plus 6 respectively. If the arithmetic mean is 4.876, find the value of x. ठीक है? Yes, Yanish. Yanish, you want to say something? You have raised your hand.
Is the x की value 5?
Yes, it's 5. And now that we have the value of x, so we can determine the frequency belonging to each number. Vatsal, you are saying something, beta? You are on mute?
नहीं, I was speaking alongside you. We frequencies
Okay.
both.
Okay, okay. Others, please try to solve. If you are not able to solve, then tell me, I will solve. But give it an honest attempt. Yes, Aditi, I will solve it. No problem. Let others, people who are trying, let them try. Then after 2 minutes, I will solve it. ये हमको already given है. So if we normally want to calculate the mean, we will do fx. So we will get 3.2x, 5.8x plus 2, 7.9x minus 3, and 4.5x plus 6. So we need to find summation f. आप इसको सम करोगे बेटा. आपने सम किया आदिति. आपका summation fx क्या आ रहा है? What are you getting summation fx? Please tell me. If you have solved, please share. Summation fx क्या आ रहा है बेटा आपका और summation f क्या आ रहा है ये बता दो मुझे. But why have you not? वही तो मैंने बोला सॉल्व मैं कर दूंगी बट एक ऑनेस्ट अटेम्प्ट तो दो. आपने सॉल्व क्यों नहीं किया फिर? Summation fx you will get 21.4x plus 14.9 and summation f you will get 4x plus 5. Next, our mean is given to us. It is given to be 4.876, that is equal to summation fx by summation f. We will put in the values, that is 21.4x. Yes, Gautam, it's 5. Plus 14.9 divided by 4x plus 5. So then we have these two equations, 21.4x plus 14.9, which is equal to, here we have 4.876. So this is equal to 4.876 4x plus 5. And when you will solve this, you will get x equal to 5. ये दो ये equations तो solve कर लोगे ना अदिति?
Yes.
Equations बेटा खुद से एक बार try करने की कोशिश करो, ठीक है? Okay. So next question for the people who have solved this. Now this question says that the mean salary paid to 1,000 employees of an establishment was found to be rupees 180.40. Later on, after the disbursement of salary, sorry guys, I stay on first floor. I think कुछ आवाज आ रही है नीचे से बच्चे की. It was discovered that the salary of 2 employees was wrongly entered as rupees 297 and rupees 165. Their correct salaries were rupees 197 and rupees 185. So we need to find the correct arithmetic mean. Okay, so I'll highlight mean salary paid to 1000 employees of an establishment was found to be 180.40. Later on, after the disbursement, it was discovered that the salary of two employees was wrongly entered as rupees 297 and rupees 165. Their correct salaries were rupees 197 and rupees 185. We need to determine the correct arithmetic mean. Yes, Radhika, it's 180.32. हो जाएगा निशा, आपसे भी हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं.
मैम
हम्म
इसको करने का एक बार स्टेप बता दो मैम, मतलब मेथड तो पता है बट स्टेप्स लिखने नहीं आते.
बेटा, आपको जो नॉर्मल मीन गिवन है, आप एक सेकेंड स्टार्टिंग
मतलब
पॉइंट
जैसे
बताती हूँ.
आंसर आ गया बट जैसे पूरा स्टेप्स कैसे लिखेंगे?
आई टेल यू द प्रॉपर स्टेप्स ऑल्सो. जिन लोगों से सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा, जो स्टार्ट नहीं कर पा रहे, उन लोगों के लिए सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट बता देती हूँ. एक्स मीन हम समेशन एफ एक्स बाय एन लिखते हैं ना, तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों को एक्स मीन गिवन है 180.40. समेशन एफ एक्स हम लोगों को डिटरमिन करना है, या समेशन एक्स लगा लो, इसमें फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं है, सो समेशन एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय एन हमारा 1000 है. ठीक है, तो समेशन एक्स कितना हो जाएगा 180,400. ये हमारी टोटल सैलरी आ रही है जो कि हमने दी है, बट इसमें से हमारी दो सैलरीज हमने गलत ले ली, तो इस टोटल में से हम लोगों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है जो कि हमारी गलत सैलरीज हैं और ऐड करना है जो सही सैलरीज हैं. फिर आपके पास करेक्ट समेशन एक्स आएगा और फिर आप करेक्ट मीन डिटरमिन कर पाओगे. वत्सल, आपका हो गया बेटा? ओके. जिन लोगों का नहीं हुआ है, प्लीज टेक 2 minutes. So Yanish, so this is our summation x, but now we need to determine the corrected summation x, that is 180,400 minus sum of wrong
हाँ मैम ये
salaries.
हो गया.
तो आप स्टेप्स किसके पूछ रहे थे बेटा?
ये मैम सबसे ऊपर वाला जो अभी आपने बताया ना, यही पूछ रहा था. मेन तो यही था, इसके बाद तो आगे माइनस प्लस ही था.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे फिर आपका ये करेक्टेड समेशन x आ जाएगा 180,320 एंड करेक्ट x मीन आ जाएगा 180,320 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000, दैट इज 180.32. आई होप सबका हो गया होगा. ओके. परवीन बेटा, बहुत लेट ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, ठीक है, ऐसे आपको आगे समझ नहीं आएगा अब क्या हो रहा है. ओके. So next, let us move on to another concept, that is combined arithmetic mean. Suppose that we are given, say we have two data set, that is n1 and x1, and we have n2 and x2. So अगर इसका हमें combined mean find करना है, this will be n1 x1 plus n2 x2 divided by n1 plus n2. Okay, so this is how we determine the combined arithmetic mean. परवीन, this is not the right way. We are in the middle of something. बेटा मैं already आपको बोल चुकी हूँ. You need to be in contact with the admin. I will not be able to help you, and that too in the middle of the class आके आप ये चीजें बोल रहे हो. So say the total number of data we have n1, then we have n2, and their mean is given to be x1, x2 bar. So then the combined mean will be equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. This is how we determine the combined mean. Any problem in this formula? Any problem in this formula? Let us solve questions associated with this. Now suppose that the following table shows the number of skilled and unskilled workers in two small communities. So together with their average hourly wages. Okay, so here it is given worker category, and say we have two types of workers, skilled workers and unskilled workers, and we are given the two communities, that is say Ramnagar and Shyamnagar. So here the number is given to be 150 and 850 for unskilled, and the wage per hour is say 1 rupees 180 and rupees 130. For Shyamnagar, the number of skilled employed is 350 and unskilled employee is 650, and the wage per hour given to skilled worker is rupees 175 and to unskilled workers is 125. So we need to determine, the question says determine the average hourly wage of each community and compare that which community has greater hourly wage. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या करना है? We need to first find out the combined arithmetic mean of Ramnagar and combined arithmetic mean of Shyamnagar, and then we need to compare कहाँ पे हम लोगों का average wage ज़्यादा है. So you can take this as n1, this is x1, this is n2, and this is x2. The formula is already provided to you and you need to solve. Sorry, just 1 second, guys. Please look at the question again. For Ramnagar, this is N1, okay, and this is X1, this is N2, this is X2. इसका आप एक combined arithmetic mean find करेंगे. For Shyamnagar, this is N1, this is X1, this is N2, and this is X2. इसका एक combined arithmetic mean find करेंगे, and then you will compare both.
मैम तो इसमें दो निकलेंगे फिर।
हम्म
137.5 आ रहा है क्या एक का?
Yes, so you will get two combined. Yes, so Radhika has given it 137.5 is for Ramnagar and 142.5 is for Shyamnagar. So you will get two. Yes, okay, Anisha has also solved it. You will get two combined arithmetic mean. And the question also states, कई बार क्या होता है हम क्वेश्चन पूरा नहीं पढ़ते, लास्ट में एक लाइन और है, कंपेयर दैट विच कम्युनिटी हैज ग्रेटर आर्ली वेज, तो वो भी आपको आंसर में लिखना होगा, ठीक है। Anmol, is it your first class, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
But you are still able to solve the questions because you had stats.
नो मैम, मैंने अभी सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करा है। उससे पहले वाले में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं करा था, लेकिन जब आपने बताया तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन से करना स्टार्ट कर दिया।
ओके अनमोल, आप अपना वो दे दो, एक तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में ऐड हो जाओ इन केस इफ यू हैव फाइनलाइज दिस जी, and also share
Okay.
your email ID so that I can add you to classroom. So all the previous recordings have been uploaded there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. All right. I suppose everybody is done with this question. If somebody is unable to solve, yes, Tushar.
मैम मैं भी नया स्टूडेंट हूँ, ये मेरी फर्स्ट क्लास है।
बेटा जो भी नए स्टूडेंट्स हैं प्लीज़ अपना नंबर यहाँ पे चैट पे मैसेज कर दो, योर फ्रेंड्स विल ऐड यू टू द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, and in the WhatsApp group or here in the chat you can send your email ID so that I can send you invite of the classroom, all the new students. Guys, please add them. Okay, so I'll give you one more question. The mean marks in statistics of 100 students in a class was 72. And the mean marks of boys was 75, while their number was 70. Find out the mean marks of girls in the class. Okay, so here the combined, you know what is n1 plus n2? n1 plus n2 is 100. You know combined mean is given to be 72. Then you know what is n1, that is 75, sorry, x1, that is 75, and n1 is 70. You know n2, since n1 हमारा 70 है, remaining number of girls will be 30, so you know that n2 is 30. You need to find out x2 using the formula of combined arithmetic mean.
Ma'am, could you once just scroll up to the formula of arithmetic mean? Okay, thank you.
65, yes ma'am.
Yeah, 65. Okay, let others also solve. In the meantime, I will add these students.
मैम मैंने ना यहाँ पे इनवाइट लिंक भेज दिया है,
ठीक है
सीधा
यानिश।
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे डायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे।
Thank you, Yanish. Okay, if anybody wants me to solve this question, please tell me. Otherwise, I'll give you another question. The answer is 65 here. Okay. So next question is, the average daily wage of all workers in a factory is rupees 444. If the average daily wages paid to male and female workers are rupees 480 and rupees 360 respectively, then find the percentage of male and female workers employed in the factory. You need to determine the percentages. Okay. अब मैं नहीं बता रही हूँ how you need to solve or what are these numbers, what do they stand for. Just analyze yourself and try to solve. Okay, Anmol, I've sent the invite to you. Tushar, could you please share your email ID again?
ओके मैम।
मैम 3:7 आ रही है, मतलब ऐसे आप 3/7 आ रहा है।
बट मेल्स का 70% है और फीमेल्स का 30% है बेटा।
हाँ मैम, वो रेशियो आ गया ना 3/7।
हाँ मैम, रेशियो है ना वो।
So,
रेशियो
so 3/7 you are actually saying it girls, female to boy, female to male.
फीमेल, हाँ यस, फीमेल टू मेल।
Okay, Tushar, I'm waiting for your email ID. Yes, Vinita, male 70 and female 30.
मैम ईमेल आईडी चैट पे सेंड करनी है?
बेटा आप यहीं पे गूगल मीट चैट पे। Okay, Tushar, I have sent invite to you also. Okay, so guys, with this we are done with the questions associated with mean. We have solved missing frequency questions. Then we have solved combined arithmetic mean questions, जिसमें हम लोगों ने जो determine करना था percentage and also to determine the number of the other class, that also we have solved. So with this I've at least tried to cover all the different types of questions that are expected from the topic arithmetic mean. Tomorrow we will be starting with median. अब अगर so we are done with the class now. If you have any other doubts associated with your GE portal, Parveen, आपको क्या doubt है or you want to discuss something else? New students, if you would like to discuss something, then you can discuss your concerns or anything if you want to discuss. We'll start with median tomorrow, and I'll also upload this chapter in classroom. Okay, so Tushar, you're from which course?
मैम मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज.
BMS.
यस मैम.
You would already be studying stats there. So why are you doing stats here? I just want to know.
मैम मेरी फर्स्ट क्लास है ये, एंड मेरे को जो जी में अलाउड हुआ है वो स्टैटिस्टिकल टेक्निक्स ही हुआ है.
आपने कुछ ऑप्ट किया होगा?
नो मैम.
Okay. And what about Anmol?
हम BCom honors.
BCom honors. Okay. All right. अपना मेल चेक कर लेना बेटा आप लोग, आपको मिल गया होगा, दोनों को इनवाइट
उसने
मिल
हम
गया
कर लिया,
होगा,
एक्सेप्ट कर लिया.
ठीक है. आई होप आप लोगों को मीट यूज करना आता है.
यस मैम.
ठीक है.
मैम
हाँ जी.
मैम जैसे कि अभी तक मेरा चेंज नहीं हुआ है, तो जैसे एक नोटिफिकेशन आया था कि अगर हमें चेंज कराना है तो ईमेल डाल देना है. तो फिर मैंने वो ईमेल भी डाल दी, बट उसका कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया अभी तक. सो शुड आई वेट और कॉन्टैक्ट समवन एल्स?
आ जाओ और रुक जाओ, कल मुझे कॉलेज जाना है.
Okay.
मैं एक बार कल पूछ लूंगी.
ओके मैम,
ठीक है.
थैंक यू.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All right guys, take care then. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
राधिका, श्रुति एंड आदित्य, बेटा आप लोगों को कुछ डिस्कस करना है?
नो मैम.
Okay then. Bye bye.